No. I don't already start this video since so. People, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I know you guys will see this look before this video. I just did my Q&A video / my introduction video. Please go and watch that video, support me please. And this right now I want to unbox all of this product because I got a question from one of my subscribers that asked me how much have I spent buying stuff. This is just little that I just got this week. I ordered them. I just waited for me to do this video so that I can tell you guys how much I've spent on buying stuff for just buying this stuff. Okay, so you guys will tell from the title because I'm not going to put the prices. I can't remember all the prices, but I'm just going to review it and then you guys will get the price when watching this video. So I have, let me greet my subscribers. If you are new here, you are welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay, if you subscribe and your post notification bell is not turned on, please hit the post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. Okay, and to our returning subscribers, you are welcome back. Welcome back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys a lot. So let's just do this video as fast as we can. I have this box here. I'm just going to put it in the side. This is one of the box. This is one of the package. I have this package. I have this one. I'm just putting them in the side so that I'll start doing the video. I have this one. They are all from Amazon. I have this one. And they are all nail stuff. And lastly, I have this Melody Susie. I took it out the box because I couldn't wait. So first I'm going to start with this little package, which is this one. In here I have this mic that I'm using right now to do this video, this one, and I don't really know how much. I'm going to put the price in the description box, or if I can also put the price in the if I can put the price on the screen, I'll also put the price on the screen. This mic is really good. I love it. Okay, if you want to start doing a YouTube channel, try with this mic. I think it's just $24 for this, and it came with the manual also. Okay, so I already opened this box, this package, because I wanted to use this mic for this video. I also have this sherry that I got on Amazon. All the stuff here, they are from Amazon. Okay, so just know I got every stuff from here on Amazon. If you want to do it, you can actually go check. If you want to buy them, you can actually go check them on Amazon. So I have this one here. I also have this candy. I'm gonna use it to create a video. It came with different candies, so I'm just gonna use it to create a video on my sister. I so much love this one. It's like it's a lollipop. I so much love this. It came with it. Okay, on here, this box. So guys, in here we have some nail tips. This is also a nail tip, but the cover tips. I have this measuring tip cutter. And I also have this Nude Polygel. So nothing is here. Just gonna put the box down there. So this is a Polygel, and the name is MIZHSE. I just got it. I think I got this for $5.99 on Amazon. Yeah, I just got this Polygel, this Nude Polygel, because my Nude Polygel is almost done, and I want to try other Nude Polygel that is a little bit cheaper than what I use. This is a cover tip for press on nails. So it came like this. I'm only going to be using it for press on nails because the one I have is so complicated, the numbers are so messed up, so I just got this one, extra long, which is 3SL SSS long tip. This is not a cover tip, this is just my regular tip. One is very long, this is extra long, and the name is Pan Rose. It's Pan Rose, and I really like it. Okay, this tip cutter, you guys are gonna see me use it. It's a measuring tip cutter. It tells you the length, or you don't overcut whatever length the person wants to have. So this is it. That's that for that package. I only have one item here. It's crazy, and look at the box that it came in. So it's so big. So this one is just to protect it's just to protect my items. It's my one and only top coat, guys. I love this top coat. If you want to start nails and you need a top coat, I think this is $10.99, $11, because this is my 5th time buying this top coat, and I don't regret buying it. If you want to get it, you can actually get it on Amazon, you can get it on eBay, Walmart, is everywhere, but I specifically got this from Amazon. Next, I have this purse. It does not look like it's from Amazon, but I don't know. Let me see. Yay! It's from Amazon, yeah, because I bought a lot of stuff, so I kind of forget. Now this Beetles nail jet tip, which I've not tried. I'm gonna try it because I heard people saying it, and I saw it on saw it on YouTube. I'm gonna try this on the channel. You guys will see. Okay, and also I got this UV lit lamp from Silverland. Yeah, it's from Saviland. I got this one. Is a UV lamp. When you want to do the gels, it's just for you to put your nails, your gel, and then just use this one. Got this because it's gonna go a long way for me. I really appreciate buying this one. So these two items came in this box. This one came with a lot of stuff. You can see it's a lot, so I'm just gonna start bringing them out one after the other. It's really it's huge. It's huge, so I'm gonna start bringing them out. Okay, so the first thing I came out is this one. It's a white paper. So this is my Makartt ant file. This is the only ant file that I use. I love this ant file. It's affordable. It comes in pack of 10. Another Polygel. Yeah, this is also a nude Polygel. Rhinestone Glue. This one is Rhinestone Glue. Yeah, so I have my modern one Rhinestone Glue, but I want to try this one to see, and it's a little bit cheaper than modern one, so I have this one and I'll give it a try. I'll let you guys know. Another Polygel, another nude Polygel that I want to try. So when I try it, this is the third one right now that I want to try. When I try it, I'll let you know. So this is another Polygel. I got this Makartt. Do you guys know this Makartt is a very good brand. I love using it, but I don't like to buy it that much because it's kind of pricey. So but Makartt, I bought one of these because I want to try this French press. It's called, I don't know if you guys can see, it's called French press Polygel. I want to give it a try. It's also nude. It's for French tip. I got it. I think this is $15 on Amazon, just this one. I also got this square tip. It's a very short square tip. I'll use it on toenails. I'll also use it on regular. I'll use it on nails. So I got this because I have my family members and my friends, my cousins that do do a lot of short nails, so this one is perfect. Okay, if you want to do short nails, just go for this instead of getting the long one, cutting, filing, shaping. No, I just got this one. I have this Polygel kit. It's very small. I didn't know it's this small. I'm gonna open it for you guys. It came in different colors. It's a transparent Polygel that I want to use to do a video. So it came in different colors, and I'm gonna give it a try. I'll let you guys know how it is. And I also have this one. It's also a Nude Polygel. I'm gonna give it a try. These two, one of these items is gonna be this. This is for my giveaway. If you guys can remember, please like, share, subscribe, okay, so that you be a part of my giveaway. This is my giveaway gift. And lastly, from this box, nothing, I have this nail kit. It's also a Polygel nail kit, which I'm gonna try. This is huge. This is a lot for the price that I got this. I think it's very affordable. This is a lot, so I'm gonna use it on the video, on one of the videos, so that you guys can see the consistency, how it is. And lastly, I couldn't wait to get this to open. Like I opened it right away because I wanted to see what is inside. I am so glad I got this MIZHSE. I'm not gonna start using it now because I still have my old one, but I saw it, I loved it, and I just decided to get it. But I have their IFA, and it's really working good for me. So yeah, this is the last order. This is the last item that came with my order. I'm just gonna put all the link in the description box. This is the MIZHSE nail lamp. It also came here. I think it was, they were doing a prime sales. I just grabbed it, and it's quite affordable with my discount because I'm a prime member. Okay, so guys, this is all the stuff that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and understood this tutorial. I'm gonna advise you, if you want to start doing a nail video, or you want to start doing people's nails, just start with an affordable Polygel so that you don't spend too much. With this, I think I spent over $300 with these items. Just this little item, I think I spent over $300, which I'm going to put all the money together, and then I'll let you guys know how much I spent. Okay, if you know you enjoyed this video, you understood this tutorial, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, like, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.